Hi, I'm Kate with The Productive Teacher. I'm here today to show you how to use my Grade 5 Module 1 Lesson 4 activities aligned to Engage New York Math. The first thing you do is print out the instructions. You can have one set of instructions for your whole class or multiple copies. You're also going to need a recording sheet for each student in your class. This activity also requires dice. Let's get started. Here's the instructions for the Lesson 4 activity. Now I'll show you how it's done. First, I'm going to roll one die, and I'm going to write that number on the first blank. Now I'm going to multiply or divide by 10 squared or 10 to the third power to solve the equivalency. So I know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So I'm going to divide by 100 or divide by 10 to the second power to find my answer, and I will get 3. So 300 centimeters is equal to 3 meters. Now I'm going to color in the exponent of 10 I used to find the answer. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, just a 1. So 1 meters to centimeters, I'm going to multiply by 100 or 10 squared, and then I'm going to color this one in. Let's see if the next one is different. Oh, okay, so I'll fill in 4 here. Now I'm going to have to divide because I'm moving from millimeters to meters, and I'm dividing by 1,000 or 10 to the third power. And that gives me 4 meters. And then I would color in 10 to the third power because that's what I used. I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at The Productive Teacher. Thanks.